should try to lube this at least once a month, but if it's pretty clean, you probably don't gotta scrub it, and you just can lube it. But it's good to give it a little scrub, but you for sure want to scrub it every like 3 to 6 months, at least once. But if you can do this every month, that's good too. It doesn't take that long. And some people, you know, like to take the chain off, but I gotta get this stuff out of the way, so I'm gonna be rolling this forward. But you weaken the chain when you do that, and you should always use another master link when you do that. You shouldn't be putting on the same master link. But I mean, I don't have a whole lot of experience on it. By my e-bike, they said not to do it, but I did reuse a master link, and it worked fine. So, you know, I don't know, but motorcycles, I wouldn't want to take a chance. But that'd be kind of expensive if you keep taking this off and using a master link. So this is good right here. I'm going to kind of clean this too off. I don't even know what kind of shape this sprocket's in. Let me get this. I might as well. And I can't get to that sprocket. I'd have to open that up. I'll try to clean this off a little bit. While we're in here. Okay, and I'm just gonna roll it forward. That water's not getting too dirty. But man, last time that water was black as heck. So I'm only gonna have to roll this forward a few times, but last time I had to roll it forward like, I don't know, like 8 to 10 times or more. So I'm just gonna use both. This is definitely a better brush. And I just got these at Walmart. Oh yeah, this gets it way better, but and you know, you gotta replace your chain when it gets too messed up. I only got like 5,000 miles. I had like 4,900, almost 5,000 miles. Man, there's my master link right there. So yeah, this big brush is way better though. But I've only been riding my bikes like 5 to 700 miles. Probably sometimes less than that every 6 to 8 months. So as long as you keep the chain clean, my chain's not getting that dirty. I don't know how much this guy. Now this water's getting pretty dirty, as you can see. I don't know how much the guy cleaned the chain that bought it before me. If you keep up with this, it won't take that long. Okay, so let's try to get some of this. I've been reading too is how to tell if your sockets are good. I guess I can't see this socket. But man. But I only do mellow riding. I mainly ride in small town or towns that ain't too crazy with traffic. I don't go on the freeways much at all unless I have to, and I only go a little ways. least this year I haven't been on the freeway at all yet. Because motorcycles are real dangerous, people, and it's too easy to crash if you're flying down on your motorcycle on the freeway. It only takes a little bit of oil or dirt on the road, and you're turning and you can wipe right out. I mean, even on the city roads. Well, usually I only go between like 20, 40 miles an hour. Like this city, there's roads that are only 30, 35 miles an hour. Some are 40. But motorcycles are dangerous, so you want to keep them, you know, you want to clean things and do maintenance on stuff. If you don't do this, your chain's just going to get worn out. And you're going to have to get a new chain a lot sooner. If you don't get a new chain, then your sprockets get worn out. You got to replace those faster. I don't know how much a motorcycle chain is. I got to look that up. But a bicycle chain, my 7-speed e-bike bicycle chain was like, it's like $30 to $50. Yeah, these motorcycles are suicidal, people. It's getting more black. So I was like, forget that, man. I used to be more suicidal, lunatic, but not much nowadays. But even now, I don't even know if I would have been flying around on these, because, man, if you crash on these, I talked to a lot of people too that crash on motorcycles. And a lot of them quit riding too. But if you stay off the freeways and you're a very defensive driver, and if you're in small towns or smaller cities, you know, it's all right. But if you're in crazy cities, if it's a small city, man, I don't know if I would ride my motorcycle. Once in a while I ride my motorcycle in crazy city, but it wasn't that far. And I was going like 40, 45 at the most. But man, you know, we're going on roads that aren't too busy. But yeah, this one looks pretty clean, so I'm only gonna last time I really had to clean the hell out of this. I had to change the water. It looks like I only gotta rotate it one more time. So now I probably just could have sprayed this at the car wash. That would have been all right, but if you change real gunked up, and I don't know, my motorcycle don't look too dirty, but I probably could take it to the car wash and clean it. I think it's been a couple months since I cleaned it. Yeah, next time I think I'll just, since I scrubbed it real good last time, I'll getting it scrubbed good this time. Next time I might be able to just take it to the car wash and just spray it down. I may just do this once a year, or maybe just twice a year, since I'm not. So only maybe 1 year I'll put on 800 to 1200 or 1400 miles. Unless I start doing a lot more motorcycle riding, because I got my e-bikes. If I could carry more on this motorcycle, I would ride it more. But since I can't, I can carry more on my e-bike that I need to carry, so I ride my e-bike more. And plus, since I'm camping out and living on the streets, right now I'm in the forest, but when I'm in the streets, I'm camping out in the streets. I can hide better on my e-bike, and I can get to places faster on my e-bike on these smaller towns and cities. Okay, so I forgot to scrub that sprocket the last time. Doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of stuff. Man, I just kind of might rub that stuff off with a paper towel too.